Yo guys, so we have another setup here that I want to pick, and this one is based on the PDF that I used to use. Let me enter before I keep explaining. Okay, so guys, when you see this setup based on the PDF guide that I use, I open more position than usual. Okay, you can see I open 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 positions now with 0.05 lot size. So quickly let me explain this trade. So in my Telegram channel I gave this signal of selling, which we hit full TP. Okay, here is it, full TP hit. Okay, sorry, this is the proof from somebody get from the video that I used to do. If you want free proof from my account, I update in the Telegram channel too, so if you need all those things you can join. So this is where the full TP got hit. Okay, full TP hit. Okay, this was when the signal was given. This is when the signal was given today. Okay, so let's go back to the charts and sell by the opposite side. So quickly, this is what we have right here, and is pushing into profit based with our divergence strategy on our PDF guide. You can see it here, and then this was the divergence on the indicator. Okay, so we also have this trend line here. Sorry for that. This trend line here to is being broken right here, so we have to pick a trade opportunity based on this and push, take profit to this level and SL. Let's put it just below here. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, this is what we have right here. This is what we have. So let's see how this trade will go in our direction. We'll come back in some minutes later to see how this trade will be doing, guys. Yo guys, so after sometimes this is what we have. You can see how powerful this strategy is right here. We keep on moving into profit. So I took the risks. So in the Telegram channel I was not able to give out this signal to them because I was waiting for the rejection to get a lowest stop loss for them. Okay, so for me, I took the risk myself and I placed this trade on my account. See, this is what I have right here. Move into massive profits, guys. Today is Friday. I have to close all this trade, and I have to set off to some places and all that. I love traveling. I just finished my night duty today, so I'll move in. I'll be moving into some places to have some kind of things down. Okay, so guys, this is what I have right here. If you want to join my mentorship, I'll start on Monday. So if you're watching this video and you want to join my mentorship, learn how I used to come up with these signals and all that, make sure you join my Telegram channel and send me direct message, or you can comment below. I'll do well and contact you so that we talk about how to join the mentorship. It's Monday is the deadline. Monday is the deadline for the mentorship class. If Monday you contact me before Monday, you are not going to get that. Okay, then you can join the Telegram channel and keep on watching for updates if we could have another one in future. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Let me close this. Okay, good. So I'm out of the market. I leave the market for them. Goodbye.